Hi everyone, welcome back. I'll start new chapter from geometry that is called angles. Two different rays starting from a point forms an angle. So in order to get an angle, you have to have two rays starting from a given point. Look at this diagram. O is a point. From O, one ray is starting. OA is a ray. If you consider another ray starting from O, we get an angle. So angle is formed by two rays starting from a given point. This O is called vertex. Vertex of an angle. OA and OB are called arms of the angle or of an angle. There is a symbol by which we represent an angle. Symbol to represent an angle. Exact, similar, but we do not have rays marked. Next term is interior and exterior of an angle. A is a fixed point. B is a point. We mark it so that we get a ray. Again, we write C, mark it. So when two rays are starting from a fixed point, forms an angle. An angle has a vertex. It has two rays. The space which lies within the angle is called interior of the angle, and the space which lies outside the angle is called exterior of an angle. Formation of angle by rotation. Formation of angle by rotation. Look at this one, you'll understand better. O is a fixed point. You have a ray. O is a ray. On top of that, you consider another ray. Tip of the pencil is taken as B, and my finger holding the pencil is considered as O. When I start moving this pencil upward, the ray is moving upward and I am getting an angle formed. This ray is kept fixed. OB is rotating upward. You can rotate it upward or you can rotate it downward to get an angle. So this is how angle is formed. It is formed by rotation, by keeping one ray fixed and another ray rotating, that is moving upward or downward. You can form it like this also. O, E, B, the pencil, tip of the pencil is B. I'm rotating it downward. Another angle is formed. Fixed point, arms, and it has a vertex. In order to measure an angle, you need to use unit. And the unit by which we measure angle is called degree. It is marked with 0 at the superscript. Superscript means top. Suppose I write 60. This is numeral, number. If I put small 0 at the top, I call it as 60 degree. 30 is a numeral. Put 0 at the superscript. We read it as 30 degree. An angle measured by one complete rotation. One complete rotation forms 360 degree. Look at this one. Suppose I keep my finger here. This point is O. This is A. And I rotate it. One complete rotation gives us 360 degree. So angle due to one complete rotation of a ray forms always 360 degree. This 360 degree has been divided in equal parts. Each part is known as 1 degree. 360 has been divided in equal parts. Each part is known as 1 degree. 60 minutes. 60 minutes is considered as 1 hour. But in terms of angles, 60 minutes is considered as 1 degree. 60 minutes is equal to 1 degree, and it is written like this. 60, we put a dash at the superscript. 60 minutes is equal to 1 degree. Similarly, 60 seconds. 60 seconds is equal to 1 minute. And we mark it as 1. So you have a table given in the book, not question, in the book. One complete rotation is equal to 360 degree. 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So suppose I write 5 minutes, 30 seconds. We can represent this one in terms of symbols. 5 minutes, 30 seconds. Single dash means it is minute and double is seconds. So we can represent degree in terms of minute and seconds also. Look at this. Suppose I write 25 degree. 30 minutes, 20 seconds. We can write this one as 25 degree, 30 minutes, 20 seconds. It will be easier. This is the mathematical symbol by which we represent degree, minutes and seconds. Suppose I have 71 minutes and I am asked to convert this one in degree and minute. This 71 can be split and written as 60 plus 11. 60 minute and 11 minute. We know that 60 minute is equal to 1 degree. 1 degree, 11 minute. It will be much easier to represent minute into degree and minute. You have addition of degree, seconds, minutes. It's easier one. And measuring an angle using protractor. You have done in junior classes. A protractor is a measuring device which is used to measure angles. It is a semicircular device, measuring instrument which has a center. It is divided in 180 equal parts. There are two scales given, lower scale, and just opposite you have upper scale. So if you want to measure the angle on the right hand side, you need to use lower scale. If you want to measure the angle on the left hand side, then you have to use upper scale, and this scale is slightly different in each protractor. So please do yourself. I'll be discussing about types of angles, and these types of angles are very, very important. There are 5 different types of angles. The first one is called acute. An angle is said to be acute angle if it measures more than 0 but less than 90 degree. An angle whose measure is more than 0 but less than 90 degree is called acute angle. A is vertex, B and C are two rays. The measure of this angle is 30 degree. This 30 is more than 0 but less than 90 degree, so it is called acute angle. And when you write or represent an angle, you put the symbol. Either you can start from C, A, B. This vertex has to be in the middle of the letters C, A, B, or you can write angle BAC equal to 30 degree. Acute angle whose measure is more than 0 but less than 90 degree is called an acute angle. Second one is obtuse. An angle whose measure is more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree is called obtuse angle. Look at this diagram. ABC. This angle is 110 degree. Measure is more than 90, less than 180 degree, so angle ABC or angle CBA is called obtuse angle. The vertex of the angle should be in the middle of the letters. Third one is called right angle. An angle whose measure is 90 degree is called right angle. exact 90 degree. An angle whose measure is 90 degree is called a right angle. Next one, you have straight angle. An angle whose measure is 180 degree. An angle whose measure is 180 degree is called a straight angle. A line segment has angle of 180 degree. Fifth one is reflex angle. An angle whose measure is more than 180 degree but less than 360 degree is called reflex angle. A, B, C. Reflex angle ABC. Suppose this is 175 degree. This angle is called reflex angle. More than 180 degree but less than 360 degree. Next one is angle around a point. Suppose you have a dot and you want to measure the angle around this dot. Angle around a point is always equals to 360 degree. So remember, there are 5 different types of angles: acute, obtuse, right angle, straight angle, reflex angle, angle around a point. Then you have adjacent angles. 2 angles are said to be adjacent angles if they have a common arm. A, B, C and D. Angle BAC and angle CAD are adjacent angles because they have a common arm. This AC is there in both AC. Vertically opposite angles. When 2 straight lines intersect each other at a point, AB, CD are 2 straight lines. They are intersecting each other at a point. 4 angles are formed. First one, second one, third one, fourth one. 4 angles are formed when 2 straight lines intersect each other at a point. Pair of opposite angles are always equal. Suppose if I write it as angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4. Angle 1 is always equal to angle 3. If angle 1 is 60 degree, angle 3 is also 60 degree. Angle 2 is always equal to angle 4. If this is 120 degree, 4 will also be equal to 120 degree. And when we add these 2 angles, angle 1 and 2, we get 180 degree because we have a straight line. When we add all these angles around O, we get 360 degree. Acute angle, obtuse angle, addition, straight angle. 360 degree means angle around a point. Then you have congruent angles. When two angles are equal to each other, they are said to be congruent angles. 45 degree. 45 degree. Angle AOB and angle COD are congruent angles, means these two angles are equal. So these are simple terms you need to remember from angle. An angle is formed when two rays start from a common point. The inner space of the angle is called interior angle or interior part of the angle. Space outside is known as exterior. Then we have angles formed by rotation, keeping one arm fixed and other arm moving. We get an angle formed by rotation. Measurement of angle. Angles can be measured with the help of degree. Degree is the unit. One complete rotation of arms gives you 360 degree. This 360 degree has been divided in equal parts. Each part is known as 1 degree. 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. 60 seconds is equal to 1 minute. So remember these conversion. Use a protractor to measure an angle. Two scales are differently used by looking at the angle. Then you have types of angles, 5 types: acute, obtuse, right angle, straight angle, reflex angle. Adjacent angles, vertically opposite angles. Please go through the definition from the book and watch it carefully. Thank you very much. Stay safe.